Hello, Scruffy. Ready to go upstairs? Ready to go upstairs? So today we're going to take Pearl up to Brendan's room to play. We did this the other day, and she was incredibly interested in all of Brendan's toys, which we found just, I mean, it's not wholly unusual. She's, you know, pecks around at things down here, but she was just very interested in everything that he had laid out on the floor. And we're only taking Pearl because Pillow has virtually no interest in any of Brendan's toys, and he just doesn't really care. But Pearl is very interested, so we're going to give her another play date upstairs in Brendan's room. Oh, what was that? So Brendan obviously has a lot of sea creature toys, so that's what we're playing with today. There's a great big pile of them. And Pearl is just, she's been up here before, but it's been a few days and she's only been up here a couple of times, so she's still clearly very interested in everything that's in this room. And she's looking around. You want to play? It's sort of a play. It's like, where's Waldo? It's like, where's Pearl in all this? Here she is. And we're very careful not to let her bite off any little pieces of plastic. She likes to peck at things.
Everything, of course. Special great microphone.
What do you think about all this stuff, huh?
Play some more on this.
Do you like sharing your toys with Pearl?
Yeah.
Pearl, you're on a mountain of toys. You just look like one of the group here.
You look like a fan.
Oh, what'd she find? She found some seaweed.
That's grass, actually. Are you having a fun time?
She seems to like her grass that she's chewing on here. What else? She really likes these plants. She seems to go for the plants a lot. Oh, she found a fish. Oh, she's got a swordfish. You know what? I bet she thinks that she might think these things are real plants. It's like the lettuce that she eats, or the kale. Do you think these are real, sweetie pie?
Apparently they're not real.
They're not real.
So too bad.
Here, you want a squid? Here's a squid. You ever play with a starfish? Here, you want a crab? Rawr.
Oh, you want a giant, heavy, clunky.
You love that squid, huh? Here, you want a stingray? Look at this giant stingray.
He loves it. He really loves that seaweed.
I know.
Wah, 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 wah. You could chew this. Oh no, where's that hammerhead? Where's that hammerhead?
Happy you. Here, you want a hammerhead?
Hammerhead. Oh, holy moly, ow. A turtle's coming to visit.
Oh. What do you think of this thing, Pearl? Are you having fun? Brendan just made you something. Let's see what Brendan made you. That's cool. There's a tunnel and Ferris wheels.
It's okay.
Oh,
She ran
she would
off.
be a little afraid of the tunnels right now. Oh, there she goes.
I did it.
Oh, she likes the thing you made. Isn't it so pretty? So pretty. There we go. Ooh! I put her on your bed, but I'm afraid she's gonna poop. I don't want her pooping on your bed. You really love that squid, don't you? Uh-oh. Oh my. What do you think, Pearl? Yeah, no? So we've been playing for a little while, and it looks like Pearl's getting a little tired and ready to go back to her old routine. And no matter what we do to play, her favorite thing is always just getting a pet. Just getting petted is her favorite thing. That is so loud. That is so loud, Goof. That's so loud. Do you like hair? What is going on? I can't tell if you like that or not. Oh, you want to chew on my hair? All right, go for it. Oh my gosh, I'm deaf. Oh! I've never heard her screech so loud before. You okay? You would have flown away if you were that bothered by it. You goofball. You little goofball.
I want to look at that